Its ominously dark surface can partially be explained by the light-absorbent gases that make up the bulk of the planet. But scientists don't really know for sure why it is so dark. But it gets creepier. Not only does this evil-looking ball of gas not reflect any light, it actually glows a molten red colour, as if it's a hot ball of coal on fire. This is because the surface of the solid diamond, the endless supply of diamonds it has to offer, there is so much diamond on the planet that bringing even a minute fraction of it back to Earth would completely overwhelm the diamond supply and therefore make diamonds completely worthless. So this beautiful planet is best admired from afar. This next planet seems to defy everything you thought you knew about chemistry, because it's a giant ball of ice on fire. Imagine for a second you're on the ice planet Hoth from Star Wars. Well, that's exactly what Gliese 436b would look like, except that the icy surface is constantly burning at 439 degrees Celsius. So how can this be? How can ice defy the laws of chemistry and stay completely solid at 439 degrees above its melting point? Well, the planet's gravity is so immensely strong that it pulls the melted ice water towards its core, compressing it into a solid form, stopping it from ever evaporating, no matter how much it burns. Next time you complain about the weather on Earth, just stop for a moment and be thankful that you don't live on the planet HD 189773b, where it constantly rains glass sideways. This planet's atmosphere is full of silicon particles, which give it its beautiful blue colour. But because of the planet's extremely high surface temperatures, these silicon particles condense to form solid glass, which flies around the planet sideways in its endless 4,000 miles per hour winds. But hey, at least it's not as bad as living on Ross 12b. This poor unfortunate planet is slowly being eaten alive by its star. It's caught up in an orbit so close to its star that the whole planet has been heated up to unimaginably high temperatures, and its mass is slowly being sucked up as it hurtles around the star extremely fast. The planet is roughly the size of Jupiter. However, it appears to be larger because the molten temperatures of its parent star have caused Ross 12b to balloon up. This poor planet loses an incredible 6 billion metric tons of mass per second. In fact, it's being torn apart so quickly that it's no longer a sphere, but an egg-like oblong shape. Next up is Gliese 581c. This planet is very special because it's been voted by the scientific community as one of the top 3 exoplanets likely to support alien life. However, it's very different to Earth. It orbits a red dwarf star, so if you looked up into the sky, it would always be a deep crimson red colour. The planet is also tidal locked, which means it doesn't rotate on its axis. Just like our moon's relationship to Earth, one side of the planet is always facing away from its star, and the other always facing towards it. The side of Gliese 581c that is always facing its red dwarf star is so blisteringly hot that if you were to stand there, it would melt you alive. However, the opposite side of the planet, facing away from the star, is so cold that you would instantly freeze. So you may be wondering, how could this extremely violent planet possibly support life similar to humans? Well, there is a narrow strip of land, halfway between its hot side and its icy side, that is just the perfect temperature to support life. But be careful not to take a step on the wrong side, or you will most certainly be toast. In 2008, we sent a message from Earth directly at Gliese 5816, and it's expected to reach the planet in 2029. Next up is a planet in the Scorpius constellation, known as WASP 17b. What makes this giant of a planet so peculiar is its sheer size. It is 1.9 times the size of Jupiter, which is the largest planet in our solar system. It's so large that theoretically it should not exist. According to scientists, it breaks the laws of how large a planet can actually get. For its size, it also has an extremely low density. Because of this, it fits into a very unique class of planets, called puffy planets. Yes, that's actually a scientific term. Puffy planets are planets with an extremely large radius and a very low density for their size. But that's not all that makes WASP 17b so strange. It also has a retrograde orbit, which means that it rotates in an opposite direction to its host star. You may remember that Luke Skywalker's home planet of Tatooine in Star Wars had 2 suns. But, as is often the case, real life can be much more amazing than science fiction. 149 light years from Earth is a planet with not 1, not 2, but 3 stars. This 3-star planet, which goes by its catalogue name of HD188753AB, sits within the triple star system HD188753. If you could live on this planet, you would experience triple shadows and constant eclipses as its 3 parent stars cross each other's paths. And of course, you would see some of the strangest and most beautiful sunsets and sunrises in the universe. Now imagine you're in the middle of the Pacific Ocean. The sky is blue with fluffy white clouds, but there's no land to be seen. In every direction you turn is just endless water. Well, that's exactly what it would be like if you were to visit this planet, 47 light years away from Earth, which goes by its catalogue name of GJ.
Y'all, we got 3 people on my YouTube. Say what's up. Y'all gotta come over this way, baby. Y'all get back here. Take a seat.
Many scientists have looked on this planet.
Well, 2 people now, 1 left.
The entire surface of the planet is one giant continuous ocean. And it remains
playing GTA,
for miles underneath
Hurricane
the
Florence
surface.
coming for our asses.
You hit the planet.
And then my thing's location. It tells you what town I'm in. Mine's a paid video. It shows my location. They'll show what area to set the town I'm in. I got wherever it goes live, like 2 live, they'll pay me for my videos. You can. All you gotta say, I do not have copyrights for anything that's going to go on inside this video. Appreciate it. Okay, well, cool then. If they don't choose me, I'm still going to go live, and then one day somebody might
sue you.
No.
The artist will sue you.
Why you think I say I do not have copyrights? Why do you think I say I do not have copyrights for him? I do not have copyrights for him, but I do have copyrights for him.
I'm putting out a paid video on mine though.
I know.
That way I can play music in mine.
I can do anything on mine. Nobody ever reports me. They don't say shit.
YouTube?
Yeah.
Send me that.
Yeah, they don't bother me like that.
What the hell you mean you most power in the body?
They just, you had haters. Yes, YouTube. I had haters, and I just say, bye, YouTube haters. Something like back there. Alright, so, are you sure you went through? Okay, yes. Like these nuts.
Shows an impressive Earth similarity index of 0.88, making the Kepler 438b super rare and very special. Discovered in January 2015,
what the fuck?
this planet has all the right prerequisites for alien life. Most importantly, it is a rocky
I don't like that mine. Dang it, picking us all up. Okay, that's better. Woo, rotate the base. Yeah. Now go. I don't know if
Dickie got mine too. But they gave Dickie a gift for $700,000. Called me and made his bank account. They gave you $700,000 too.
For what?
I don't know. They're doing that For some, I guess for the club shits. I guess it's starting club shits back up. The what's called guest list. I want to give me post 500, 200, 300,000 on my day every time you log in. They give you money like that every day. So you can go crazy about what the hell you want about now. They do 700,000.
I just want a woman not look like a man.
You heard me?
Mm-hmm.
You heard me?
Yeah, I hear you.
Well, what the hell you want about it?
I'm kind of mad that it don't want to rotate and let y'all all on my video. It's like making me very upset.
Turn the camera.
I did. It's saying rotate device. It's wanting it straight, and I don't want it straight. You two, you do not get what you want. I guess y'all get what y'all want.
Controller.
Oh, so you got my invite I sent to you?
I done hit that a while ago. Like when you send it. Calm down.
This shit loud.
When I come everywhere, when you come up, me and I had long hair, you look like cha cha cha. Big back for a bitch.
Good,
Oh, miss my head. One person, you might want to speak to us? Say hi.
What?
Okay, live chat. Let's see what it says. All messages are visible. Yes, all messages are visible. Hurricane Trina. Just go like a mile. Okay. Why did you put me? Okay, I gotta go to her. Okay, I'm coming, sis. I can get to the door. Yeah, I got to do it.
All you gotta do is there.
She's going to the beach park. I'm here at the beach park. Let's stay off our game. I don't have it.
I said, you remember the corn cob pipe I had that flapjack in?
Oh, yeah, I have it.
You know what flapjack is? The little white boy over here. Just come over here and curl here.
Okay, you done did too
With the
much.
big truck.
I hear you. Let me beat this white boy out. He keeps on trying to get me out my motherfucking car. I just stole me fast like you got some say so about this motherfucking car anymore. Bitch, I just stole your car. It's okay. Nay, Jackson. Oh my God. I'm my TV.
Oh.
And then he threw you one person on my YouTube channel. And
Oh, damn. Come on, but that's all.